How's it going, everybody? I have here a 2010 Electra Glide FLHTP Harley Davidson, and it had a check engine light on, and I pulled the codes on it. It was the O2 sensors. Oh shit. And so I replaced the O2 sensors on it, cleared the codes, and now I'm going to go drive it, see if the check engine light comes back on, and I'll show you how to pull the code. I'll show you how to clear the code as soon as I can find a spot to pull over somewhere. So the check engine light would be right here. People learn how to drive. This thing riding good. This officer takes care of his bike. I'll go up here and pull over somewhere so you can see how to pull codes if you have a check engine light on, and how to clear them. I'm not used to his shifter, man. Man, I haven't been on a bike in a minute. Ever since that crash happened. Well, I've rode since then, but I just haven't been. The weather's been kind of crappy. Now that it's about a week or two away from spring, the weather's all nice. It's supposed to be like 70s and 80s today, but the last couple, like just about all of February, was nothing but rain. Alright, so make sure the bike's in neutral. And to check for a code, you want it in the run position. Put this thing on the kickstand. You want it in the run position, in neutral. This is the odometer button. Hold odometer. turn the bike on. It says diag, push odometer. P is for your PCM, and all these are all just different stuff. I forgot what they were, but how you switch through them, through the different systems on the bike. So I want to go to PCM because that's where the check engine light was, and then I'm going to hold it for about 5 seconds. And it says none because I cleared the code already, but that's where your code will pop up. And then you would just, if you had more than one, you would just push the button, keep on going. So that's how you do that. And to clear it, do the same thing, hold it in, turn it on, says diag. So we're going to go to powertrain control or PCM, hold it. If your code was here, you would just hold it in, and then it would say clear, and then you just hit the button again and then turn the bike off. And that's how you check a code and clear a code. I guess I'll run back to the shop. It's almost lunchtime. So, yep, pretty simple. And you're going to test drive the bike for a little while, and that's how you check to see if the codes have been cleared. It'll say none, like mine just did. And I'll leave a link in the description of where you can find the code list. It's a PDF file. You actually don't even have to download it. It'll pop up right on your screen. A lot of bikes out today. So yep, that's how you clear it. Bike is in neutral, in the run position, off, hold the odometer, turn the bike on, and it says diag. Hit the odometer button again, and then you go to whichever system you're looking for and hold that button, and then your code will pop up. Do your repair, same thing. To clear it, you just, when you're on the code, you just hold the odometer button, it'll say clear, and you just hit the button again and it clears it. Transfer trucks. Yeah, this is the road that accident was on. We were going the other way though, where I just turned around at back there. It was just around that corner.